So guys, about this Gemgala Gemgala update. So guys, once you click on the link over here, see this getblog.me. You click on this link over here, it will take you to Chrome. So once you take you to Chrome, what you have to do is to download the app. See this stuff over here. Click on download. Once you download, the app will be installed on your phone. The app is already installed on my phone, so if I click download, it will take me to the app already. So guys, once you are in, the best thing to do is to sign up. Sign up with your Gmail account. Sign up with your Gmail account, guys. Don't sign up with the email with this let's start. You see a let's start button there. You sign up with your Gmail. Sign up with your Gmail, guys. So that you will not forget how to log in through the site. So basically this app is for multi-purpose app, guys. You can use it to play games, you can use it to live stream, you can use it to exchange gifts. There are different purposes for this app, guys, for you to build draw. So first things first, let's go to this small cart that I seen over here. This place. Go there, guys. Okay. First things first, you go to this my profile over here. My profile over here, guys. Click on my profile. Then next thing to do is this your age. You have to correct it. Correct the age. Correct the region. Then the language, location. You can say correct the location. This one, I beg, I'll just leave it like that. I cannot shut myself. Okay. The next thing to do is to do this face verification. This thing over here, guys. Your face verification. Make sure to complete your face verification. It's very important, guys. It's very important. Your face, your one will be showing not verified. So once you complete it, it should verified and tick it there. Make sure it's completed. And you can just from there go. Then click on this account. You ban this one showing ban login device and your email. You can ban your email to complete everything. So just go back. Now, the next thing to do is to learn how to play games on this platform. So let me just explain the meaning of these two stuff you're seeing over here. This green gem and this cat coin. Let me explain it. First of all, the cat coin. Now, this cat coin is what you get when playing games. Yeah, you get the cat coin when playing. If you click on it, you see that I have 1 million coin over here. I have 1,800,000 coin. And I got this by playing games. Guys, I got this by playing games. This is you see, as you can see over here, how to get coins. It said top rank daily. If you rank top on this gaming platform, let's see how the daily reward is. Jesus Christ, this is the daily reward over here. Then it have 11 hours to go. And my rank currently is 1,357. I'm still trying, it's not easy in this game. And I've summed up 90,000 coin. But now I'm sure I'll increase my rank later. I know some secrets in the games now. And next thing to do is to play multiplayer games and win coin in these live rooms. As you can see, guys, if you can play games in these live rooms, you'll be able to win coins in this room. Or this kind of game that I don't like to play. When I tell you to guess among these coin, these things now, which one is here? Baby. First, I want to play this game. Play with 500 coin. No. 200 coin, yes. Let's see. Not okay. I'm not joining this one. Hey, how this one winner? I don't know how to play this game, but it's just 200 coin. What is there to lose? What is there to lose? I want to change the game. I cannot go change the game, but what is there to lose? So as you can see, guys, this is the game you can end by playing this game. Let me see. Nope. 0. Okay, let me play with this 900 coin. Let's see how it goes. Play. Confirm. This stuff is not confirm. Hey, okay, name me. Hey, oh, I lose. Damn it. Let's play one more time. One more time. Let's do one more time, guys. Let's choose B this time. B. Let's go. It's like you're choosing the numbers here, then it will accumulate, then you just proceed like that. Confirm. Let's just see if I can win this time around. Let's just see. Lucky number. This kind of lucky numbers, all these kind of games, I don't like it. Because it deals with luck, obviously, but you have to have luck in this kind of game. I currently have 1,893,000 coins, so I can spare a little 900. Let's see if I can win this one. Let's see. 2 and 10 come aside. 2 and 10 and the rest come aside. Jesus. Better big loss. Again, I'm out of here. That would be S and E be coming every time. B and 0 is not coming. I'm out of here, guys. So guys, you can still play other games here. You can still come here and come and play this galleries. Let's test these galleries out here. Galleries. Okay. Interesting. So you can, if all you have to do is to pick your car. Okay. Pick the sports car to win. Then you stick your coin. Let's take 1,000. Then let's play. Red sports car to win, guys. Let's go. Confirm. Red sports car. We have 14 seconds more to go. Let's see how it goes. This game just teaching you guys how to play these games so that you can increase your coin and you withdraw. Increase your coin and you withdraw, guys. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Active. Sports car, do the work for me. Let's go. Jesus, sports car is carrying last though. It's the bike that win, oh Jesus. Okay, no, the bike was the Jeep, oh. Damn. SUV one back. I'm out of here too. Just losing on this game. Losing my ad-end coin. Get out of here. So guys, once you have learned how to play like the next to do is learn how to play this block game. And this game I used to win. This game I used to win. So basically, if you are playing this game, it's as easy. It's very easy, guys. Game is easy, guys. Okay. Okay. Just be putting your blocks like this, guys. If you run out of option, you can long press on your screen, then blocks will pop up. You select any of your choice. Now press on your screen also. It'll pop up, percent on your choice. So just playing the game like this. I'll teach you guys a secret on how to play this game in my next video. On how to level up your coin. As you can see, I have 29,000. I have to level it up and earn more points on it. I'll teach you guys how to level up in the next video. So let's go to the withdrawals aspect. If you want to withdraw from this platform, click on it. Now let's just say you have accumulated a lot of coin. What you gonna do? If you have accumulated a lot of coin, so what you need to do, go to this gem over here. Then click on exchange coin. So if you have 8 million coin, you already have 100,000 gem, which is equivalent to $10. So you can withdraw, guys. So that's why I just want to show you guys out there. Then for the withdraw, when you click on withdrawal, this is what you see. This is what you have over here. Currently, I have $5 in my account, but the minimum withdrawal is $10. You click on this Met wallet. Once you click on the Met wallet, it will automatically create an account for you. You have to just fill in the details it says. You have to fill in your email, then your name, then voila, your Met wallet has been created. So this is where you withdraw your money to. From here, you withdraw it to your bank account, obviously. Then once you have created your Gem wallet, you need to do so. Click on this wallet you are seeing over here. When you click on the wallet, click on this wallet over here. You click on this withdraw account. Click on withdraw account. You see your bank card, EP, and USDT TRC. You can use any of them to withdraw. For me, I'm using my bank card. I've already linked my bank card over here, as you can see. So just click on the back card, you will link it, then everything is good to go. So you just go back. And when you want to withdraw, just place the $10 here, then withdraw. Usually they say it takes few minutes for the withdrawals to come, basically. So these are the Gemgala apps work and everything you can do about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. In case you have any question, any comments, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.